So welcome back to my channels, and this is the part, and we have the machine which is a dripping blues one, and here is the download link OVA file, and we go to the machine here. Here is machine running on the virtual box which I have Ubuntu version of Ubuntu Linux and connected with the bridge network which is connected together with a VMware workstation. Is our Kali Linux here in the VMware machine, and there is a IP address is the 103 here. Vulnerable machine IP address is 103 here, and nmap. I have scanned the network of vulnerable machine, which is the nmap, using nmap. And here is the option which is SC, SV, and PN for the port scanning. And here is the ports are open, which is 21 port is open, 22 port is open, 22 is for SSH, and 21 for FTP, and port 80 for HTTP. So we trying to port 80 on the first port 80 on the Firefox web browser, and here is the Firefox web browser is open. Here I try port 80, and there is here some two. Here is the differing blue is hatch again, so it's now called a dripping blues. And copy this here, and there is a two users which is like users, so trying to get the 3 here, enter, and trying to copy this and go buster on this. First we're trying to FTP port, which is there is something here, sudo su kali, clear this, and trying to FTP on this. On the 3 IP address is 3. We're trying to anonymous here, and here is password which we cannot type these passwords, and trying to ls here. Here is the zip file is here to get this zip file which respect my trip. Copy this and paste it over here, enter, getting this file, exit from here, clear here, and unzip this file which is and there is a password which is respect my trip. So we have not the password, so trying to crack this password as a zip to John. We use the zip to John, which is a zip here into the hash.txt, output into the hash.txt here. Okay, so here is the okay, we have the hash.txt here. We type the John word list and use the word list roq.txt and file is the hash.txt. Hit enter, finding the password of this file. So we have the password here. Copy this password and paste it over here first for the reminders for the password. We're trying to get. Okay, unzipping this file first. We have the password here. Enter. Default, we use the default. Press this file. Yes, us cat txt here, and just focus on a drip. Okay, so here is the we trying to the go buster on the IP address. Here is nothing else. Here is time passing on this zip file. Copy this and go buster on this IP address. And word list, we are taking the word list is go buster w, and we are taking the user share word list, booster, and we use the directory 2.3 medium.txt here, and typing the -u address here, and -x for the our txt files, finding txt file, php file, and html and javascript file. Hit enter. Okay, so there is an mistakes here, which is -u is here. We're trying to do a booster. Is a simple terms here. Finding the directories here. Trying to all the directories here is index.php, robots.txt here. So we're trying to robots.txt here first. Enter, and here is the experiential.txt. Copy this and go to this directory. Hello, dear hacker, wanna be a go for this lyrics. Here is the lyrics count, then words put the side into the MD5 sum. Hello, hello, hello. MD5 sum, hello. It's the SSH password here. So we go back and Here's the etc/script to copy this, and here is the robot.txt. We're trying to index.php here. PHP, we're trying to the injection here, which is a question trip is equals to paste this here and hit enter. Okay, dripping batch. We're trying to view source page here. Okay, not to take a screenshot, cancel this. And finding here is the password is here. So copy this password, paste it over here. And we're trying to hear some other, which is a password file, opening the password file. Wow, we have the password file. So here is trying to the longer is the our user, which we have find previously on the port 80 page. So we're trying to SSH on the longer, which we have the file and opening the SSH. So SSH on the our user is this is the our user, paste it over here at the rate 192.168.0.103. hit enter. Okay, so here is the SSH key is in until here. Okay, so host is updated. Yes, here, and we have the password of Tugger. Copy this and paste it over here. Enter. And now we have the shell here. ls here, cat user.txt. We have the user.txt. Clear this and trying to the we have the this file which is exploitable for the pound kit, which is a exploitable file. We put this file into the root directory, which is a user is a trunker. So Python HTTP server in port 444. Hit enter. HTTP server is on. So we're trying to get this file into the tmp directory cd/tmp. We are in the tmp directory and wget the file is http 192.168.0.104 is our Kali Linux IP address and port is 444 and file is Pawn kit, which is here is the Pawn kit. Hit enter, getting this file. Okay, so here is the file Pawn kit. So we're trying to execute this file. Okay, so executions command execute this file. Hit enter, and we have the root directory. cd, okay, we type the id. Here uid is root. Who am I? Root. cd/root ls here, cat root.txt here. Here is the root flag is here. We have the capture the flag with using the pawn kit. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And we are back with a new machine again. Okay, so bye bye.